So we are a French company. We call Solsteo for Solution Stabilization Ethylene Oxide. We are manufacturing EO machines, so EO stabilizers, for the medical device industry. We are 100% French-owned company. We manufacture essentially and mainly in France, and we export all over the world. Okay, so this is the first exhibition for Solsteo in Asia. We're taking the opportunity of medical manufacturing Asia to showcase our technology. We consider Singapore as a hub in Asia, and from this exhibition, we'd like to expand the business and make sure that we have maximum visibility in Asia. This exhibition has been great for us. We made quite a lot of key decision-making people, which is the objective of gaining more visibility in Asia. This is the first exhibition that we attend, and for us it's been a great success, and we hope to come back in 2 years for the same time, same place.